Hello, Fermyon friends. Today we're going to take Fermyon Cloud for a test drive. We're going to use Spin and the VS Code for Spin extension for Spin to do that. So let's get going. Spin can tell me what kinds of applications it has templates for. So let's take a look there. Let's do an HTTP handler for Go. So we're going to do a Spin new HTTP Go. Let's call it Hello FC for Hello Fermyon Cloud. Or Hello Football Club, that'd be a great name for a team. And we'll just accept the defaults there. So if I cd into Hello FC, I can see that I've got some files already in there. So let's start up Visual Studio Code. Again, I've got the VS Code extension for Spin running in here as well. If I take a look at main.go, I can see that it's already created a little Hello Fermyon scaffolded program for me, and I've got a Spin toml file that's all set up for a deployment, which means really I can dive right in and build my application. Now, with Go, we tend to use the tinygo compiler because it has WASI support in it. It's a great little project. tinygo is a great project, so take a look at that. But now I've already built my binary. Normally I do something like spin up to test locally, but we're going to live on the edge today and we're just going to go straight to deployment. Now that's going to take my application, package it up, ship it off to the Fermyon Cloud. That's going to schedule everything out across our Nomad cluster, create SSL certificates, set up the HTTP services for us, and then send me back a URL so I can get going. Now, one thing I should tell you is I have already logged into Fermyon Cloud. So here you can see my VS Code Spin login action there. Normally I would use that. That would link my GitHub account to Fermyon, set everything up for me, and I wouldn't have to walk through any kind of account creation workflow other than doing the OAuth handshake. But I've already done that. So here's my Spin application. I'm going to start that up. Oh, hello Fermyon. That's nice. If I go over here to my Fermyon Cloud dashboard, I see my Hello FC application. No real logs or anything yet. But that's really all it takes to build out the application. Let's try releasing a new version of the application. So I don't know, let's write something to the log, right? So we know that if we send something to standard error, which is os.standard error, that'll go to the log file. So hello log file, hello log file, there we go. And let's just change the text here. Hello Fermyon friends. So now we made a couple of trivial changes. Now, because we have made a change and we're about to release a new version, we need to go back in here and change the version number. So we'll go from 0.01 to 0.02. And again, we will just do a spin build and we'll do a spin deploy. So again, the Spin build is going to use that tinygo project to build our source code into a WebAssembly module. We can see here the name of the module it's building is main.wasm. And then as soon as that's built, we're going to redeploy that application back out to Fermyon Cloud. So again, it's going to package up that new version and it's going to ship it off to Fermyon Cloud, which again is going to distribute it across our Nomad cluster. And then it's going to change the configurations so that instead of pointing to that old version of the application, the one we just built before, now it's going to be pointing to our new one. So again, and the URL it's going to give us is the same, so we can even go back here. Every once in a while, oh, there we go. We've already got it refreshed. Hello, Fermyon friends. If we head back over here, we should see, yep, there we go. Our little hello log file message is already showing up in the logs. So there we go. We've taken an application, built it locally, packaged it, shipped it up without really having to do any work at all, and had Fermyon Cloud deploy it out. Then we cut a new release with a couple of new features and tested that out as well. This is why we're so excited about Fermyon Cloud, and we hope you give it a try too. Talk to you later. Bye.